Hello everyone, in this tutorial you'll learn how to import a video file into Blender and use it as a moving texture on an object, just like any regular image texture. I'll be applying a video texture to the front face of this cube. To make it look like a screen, we first need to flatten the cube by reducing its thickness. So change the X scale value to 0.2 and I'll move this cube up as well. One important step is matching the width of the object to the aspect ratio of the video file. For example, a full HD video uses an aspect ratio of 1.78. To match this, I'll set the Y scale value to 1.78. Once that's done, switch to rendered view mode and enable HDRI lighting for better visibility. Next, we need to add two separate materials to this cube. One material will be used for the frame and the back side, and the second material will display the video on the front face. I'll change the color in default material to black, which will serve as the frame. Next, add a new material slot to create a second material. In the base color, add an image texture node, click open and then select the video file you want to use. Then switch to edit mode, enable face selection and select only the front face of the cube. Choose the second material in the material list and click assign. At this point, the video may appear stretched or incorrectly oriented due to improper UV mapping. So I'll split the viewport and open the UV editor. I'll rotate the cube so that it is in the front orthographic view, which will make it easier to UV unwrap. If you unwrap the UVs now, the height may align correctly, but the width may still be off because the object was scaled earlier to match the aspect ratio. Instead of manually resizing the UVs, return to object mode and apply all the transformations using Command A. Then back in edit mode, unwrap the UVs again using the Project from View Bounce option. This time the UV map will perfectly match the video frame. If you play the animation, the video still won't move yet. In the material properties, enter the total number of frames in your video, which in this case is 780. Also set the scene's animation length to the same number of frames. It is mandatory to enable auto refresh so the video updates during playback. If your animation length is longer than the video, you can also enable cyclic to loop the video continuously. The video texture is applied only to the front face, while the rest of the cube uses a black material. If you want to add an audio, press Shift A and choose the speaker object. In the speaker properties, click open and select either an extracted MP3 audio file or the original video file itself. So when you play the animation again, the audio will play in sync with the video texture. If you experience audio and video sync issues, always check the FPS settings. For best results, use a video file that matches the same FPS as your final render settings. Finally, to give the screen a glowing effect, open the shader editor. Remove the principal BSDF node and replace it with an emission shader. You can also add a simple plane beneath the object to act as a floor and complete the scene. Adjust the emission strength as needed to control the glow intensity. Also make sure the render engine is set to cycles and the device is switched to GPU so the glow effect is clearly visible during rendering. I hope this tutorial was helpful and as always, thank you for watching.